been served. Good afternoon, Director Candelaria, members of tourism, members of the press. Thank you so much for coming, and as they say in Dutch, aangenaam kennismaken. I bring as Director of Tourism warm greetings to you from sunny St. Maarten, and we also have sunny Holland. On behalf of the people of St. Maarten, and as Lydia indicated, apologies on behalf of the Commissioner of Tourism. As you all know, tourism is the #1 industry and the only industry for St. Maarten. It is the pillar, as we like to say, of our economy. And having said that, we're very humbled at the fact that we were recognized as being the #4 destination in the Caribbean. This is the 3rd time that we have actually been recognized by TripAdvisor. And as you know, TripAdvisor is similar to, what do you call it, Lydia, here in Holland? Zoovert in Holland. And we're very proud of that because it's actually the visitors who actually came to St. Maarten. They are the ones that actually said St. Maarten is the #4 destination. So it's not someone that just said it, but visitors who have actually experienced St. Maarten. So we're very proud of that. And having said that, for many years, the United States market has been our primary source market. So we were basically putting all of our bags in one market, all of our eggs in one basket. And we developed a tourism master plan about 5 years ago, as a matter of fact, yes, 5 years ago. And in that plan, we discussed the diversification of our tourism strategy. And one of the most important strategies in diversifying our market, we looked at the Dutch market. We also looked at the South American market and, of course, the Caribbean market. However, we also wanted to have sustainable growth. And as a result of that, 2 years ago, I believe in 2008, we appointed interreps headed by Lydia to market St. Maarten in the Dutch market. And so far, for the past year, we have seen moderate growth, or very, very limited growth. However, as we said, we would like to grow sustainably. We have experienced 1% growth. Last year, we had 15,216 visitors from Holland, which represents 15.4% of our total visitors to the island. And as a matter of fact, our total market, the United States, which used to be 80% of our total visitors to St. Maarten, now only comprise 45%. So this is a testament to the fact that we are gradually diversifying and sustainably growing the other markets. Having said that, it's also important to mention that we just had a meeting with KLM, and KLM announced that the growth pattern for KLM has increased by 29%. So we're very proud of that as well. This shows you our commitment to the Dutch market, and also it's important to thank you, our partners in tourism, for helping us grow the market. Also, what we've done is we've decided internationally that we're going to, even though the Dutch market is a new market, we needed to reposition St. Maarten as a new product, as a different product. And the reason for that was the whole product of St. Maarten has actually changed. It's a diversified product. They have different things, they're new things. So those of you who have not been to St. Maarten for 10 years or 15 years, it's a totally different and exciting product. And having that different product, we wanted a different image and a different message to get into the minds of the people. So we came up with a whole different strategy, and now we have the Dutch market. So as you know, in marketing, you can't take one message from one market and just apply it to the other market. However, you can maintain a similar brand, a similar look. So I'm hoping today you will see the brand and you'll see the new face of St. Maarten for the Dutch market, and you will be as happy with it as we are. Again, I would like to thank you on behalf of the people of St. Maarten. I want to thank all my St. Maarten brothers and sisters who are here. They're all here: Paul, Mireille, Robbie Sanger, Joan. All of you, if I forgot one of you, sorry, I'm nervous, but thank you for coming. And all of you who helped to make St. Maarten grow, thank you, and continue working with us sustainably to make St. Maarten a better tourism destination. Thank you.
Dit is een moodfilm die ontwikkeld is. Het is een prachtige montage geworden.
Is er wat dan?